Do you ever buy these big clamshells of lettuce when they're on sale, nice and cheap, and then make 1 or 2 salads and the rest goes bad? Well, here's a little trick that I found that helps to preserve that lettuce longer. So you open up your clamshell and you have to get rid of a little bit of the lettuce. So I'm going to make a nice big chef salad today, so I'll take some of that lettuce out to make a little more space, and I'm just going to set that aside. Then I need some sort of a bowl or something, because I'm going to take a little more of the lettuce out, actually over half of it out, and just put it in another container just for a moment. And then kind of fluff up what's on the bottom just a bit and put a paper towel in there. Sort of like you're making a lasagna. I'm going to put a lot of the lettuce back in, but not all. Okay, and then I'm going to put a second paper towel. So I'm going to end up with 3 layers of this spring mix. Okay. That's why you need to get a little bit of it out of the clamshell before you would have room to do this. Okay, once I've got my 2 little paper towels in there, I can seal it back up, put this in the refrigerator, and it'll last a whole lot longer than if I were to leave it just the way it came. So give that a try and see if it doesn't help your lettuce last longer.